Dalia and I are passionate in understanding and protecting birds of prey.
So we conduct rescue and release efforts. We also have to take care of the birds here. And today we are going to introduce to you some of our favorite predators on wings.
So to start things off, let me introduce you to one of our veterans of the presentation. Let's welcome Suzy of American Bald Eagle. Wow, look at her, such a beauty, isn't she? Well, Suzy here is a female, and all female raptors are larger and heavier than the male, and she is no exception. But Suzy here has been with us for almost 26 years. Her big and talents are huge, mythical and unmatched hunters.
A Suzy here weighs 4.7 kilograms. When flying at high speed, she's able to lift off an entire prey that can weigh all the way up to 4 kilograms. When she's almost her entire body weight. Very impressive, right, Nina?
That's right, Dalia. But here's another interesting fact about bald eagles. They build really huge nests. It can go up to 10 feet wide. If you're wondering how big this nest is, I'm going to take this thumb as a marker and I'm going to walk it up, and that should be about 10 feet wide. And also, it can go up to 20 feet tall. That's almost 4 times my height. A pretty big nest, Dalia.
Yes, Nina, a very big nest for a very big bird. And you know what, everyone? Suzy here has done a wonderful job. Time for her to head back home. So why don't we give Suzy a round of applause, everyone, of American Bald Eagle.
Oh, Dora, did you hear that?
Yeah, yes, it's very familiar at all. Where did it come from?
Oh, look, that's what she's like that. Yes?
Maybe that's not it. Okay, how about over here?
Oh, look!
Oh, right up there, everyone. Everyone, we now stand up a white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea is beautiful.
White-bellied sea eagles have one underside on their feet. We shall them to breathe on the slippery
Right. Here we come, white-bellied
don't worry, we do have it on replay. And look at that powerful reluctant dynamic right on ball.
That is right, Nina. The white-bellied sea eagle is actually my favorite to get a great spot in Singapore.
Oh, but Dada, there's another raptor that we should look out for, and that is the Brahmani kite. Say hello to Rhino! Alright, watch this! Whoa! The Brahmani kites are agile hunters. They are able to catch a prey right up in mid-air. Would you like to see that one more time? Okay. Rhino, one more time! Well, we're just gonna wait for Rhino to be ready for the second throw. Alright, here he comes, and there you go! The Brahmani kites are medium-sized raptors, but don't let their size fool you. They are able to snatch a prey from a bird as big as Nelson, our white-bellied sea eagle. And as you walk around our Park Mandai, don't forget to look up. You might be able to catch some more Brahmani kites or even white-bellied seagull flying around. And this is how they look like in the skies. On the left will be the white-bellied seagull, and on the right, the Brahmani kite.
So it's very easy to spot the differences between these two birds. Now first would be the obvious size difference. And then you have the coloration, last but not least, the shape of their wings. So white-bellied seagulls, when they fly, they have a V-shaped wing with a wedge-shaped tail.
And for the Brahmani kite, they have an M-shaped wing and a U-shaped tail. They are also brownish in color.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, did you know that each year about 2 million raptors migrate during the winter? From their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia fly to as far as Africa. It is a perilous journey.
Thousands around the world are being killed for sports. Therefore, we need your help to protect and save these birds, or soon our skies will be empty.
The birds are free of vital to the health of our planet. So joining me right over here, we have Maya, our Malay fish owl, another local species.
Now we are talking about silent flights. There's another Malay fish owl right up there, and that is Latte. So today, we are all... Wow, I'm sure none of you heard anything apart from his call. Well, that's because owls have soft edges at the tip of their feathers, which alters ambivalence and absorbs noise, making them as quiet as a whisper. They also have incredible eyesight and binocular vision, just like us.
And the colors of an owl's eyes also tells us when they like to hunt. So owls with yellow color eyes, they like to hunt during the day. Orange eyes means they like to hunt during sunrise and sunset. And last but not least, owls with black eyes, they like to hunt during the night. So with that, everyone, it's time for a lovely owls to head back home, but before that, can all of you put in and say goodbye? There you go, thank you very much. Maya and Latte, our lovely Malay fish owls.
Now you have our southern crested Kanahara. Hello, hello.
This is an unusual bird of prey. He prefers to spend most of his time on the first ground foraging for food. So as you can see, Raw right now is very busy using his long legs and flat claws to overturn the rocks in search of insects, or in this case, the trees that have been hidden underneath. I think there's one more stroke, the one over there. You're going to find underneath there all. Using some weights so you can get more food inside. Okay, why don't you try this rock roll? You've done that one. How about this one? Oops, nothing underneath there. As Dina mentioned, they do behave like vultures. So when you come across a large carcass with lots of vultures feasting on it, you'll even find some karakas joining them in the feast. So he raised nests and even steals food from other birds.
A portrait as evil, circling around the skies with ominous music and the sense of impending doom. But we are here to tell you the real story.
The vultures are nature's clean-up crew. They use columns of air to fly and glide as they search for dead animals using their sense of sight and smell. The vultures help to prevent spread of diseases.
And with that, let's welcome our very first vulture, Tina, Turkey vulture. Turkey vultures are from the Americas. They are the very few birds in the world with finely tuned sense of smell.
This means if there is a dead animal, the turkey vultures would be the first ones on the food the hard work of ripping apart the tough skin of the dead animal.
And here's an interesting fact about turkey vultures. Their stomach acid is as acidic as strawberries, which helps them to digest carrots pretty well. And it looks like Dina has done a wonderful job. It's time for her to get that home to her trainer. Let's give Dina a big round of applause. They are sociable but yet aggressive feeders. Once a carcass is found, they will wait nearby before beginning to feed. But once they get going, about 100 birds will gather for a meal and strip the carcass down to its bones in less than 10.
The heavyweight from Europe. This bird is usually solitary except when it comes to mating and having chicks. So they prefer to feed in smaller groups. Our middle right over there, he has large gripping feet with sharp talons and a hooked beak to tear apart the top skin of the carcass to eat chunks of head.
Oh Daria, I think we have two more scavengers to showcase.
Do we need a
And then one more wild bear. These birds have three and a third woman days.
they were then poisoned with the vultures regarding them in the field. Our ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, about 11 species of vultures in Africa clean up to 70% of the continent area. So we would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures. Isn't that right now?
That's right, Daria. But all over the world, we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Deforestation, electrocution, poison carcasses, and even superstitious beliefs. Many are now critically endangered, and conservation efforts from all over the world will be the only way to save them from extinction. So let us all take a moment and show our appreciation to these amazing birds for keeping our environment safe and clean. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Today you guys
Remington, on ring!
Once again, thank you very much for joining us here this morning. If you'd like to learn more about parrots, toucans, pelicans, or flamingos, do it back here at 12:30 p.m. for the Weeks of the World's presentation. Once again, 12:30 p.m. right here at the Giant Theater for the Weeks of the World's presentation. We hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you and